Hello everyone, now I will explain the guideline or the next step for the third tool, which is Genially. After login, you will enter the main dashboard and click on the Create Genially to start designing a learning material. Other than create a Genially, we also can choose a presentation template and create a lesson based on a physical education topic such as fitness component, basketball, sport rules, or health education. But for now, I'm using this template to design my lesson. After choosing the template, you can start designing the presentation slide or rearrange the design by using all the tools that are located at the left and the top of the screen. Now I will change the template or the interactive questions that are located in this template from the flags into the anatomy, which relate with the physical education subject. Other than that, we also can use the icon that have been provided on the resources, and we also can put interactive elements and also interactive questions. For the interactive question, we can put the question and also the answer according to the question and answer that we want. This is very helpful for the teachers to make the interactive slide in order to attract the students' attention. So, this is the example for the interactive question. Once the presentation is completed, click Share to generate a link or download the material. Teachers can share the presentation with the students for a classroom learning, revision, or self-learning activities. So this is one of the example, which is the material of anatomy learning that I have done in Genially. Lastly, we also put interactive question at the end of our material lesson.